This is a 1984 Galaxy 16-inch table fan, model 2151. Got this fan from a Salvation Army thrift store for 11 bucks. It's overall in great shape. The girls have got a bit of corrosion on them, but it's something a little bit of steel wool can't take care of some other time. The switch plate's not actually glued down anymore. It's just sitting on there, the glue let go. Gotta get some super glue and fix that eventually. This thing is definitely an extremely powerful fan. It moves more air than a lot of 20-inch box fans did that were made in this fan's period, and it moves more air than today's like metal 21-inch high-velocity fans and stuff do. It's really just a crazy powerful fan. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.